Assalamu alaikum guys, hope you are fine. I am again here for a brand new video. So let's start the tutorial. First of all, the first query, if I try to translate it, you can clearly see this is in Spanish language, and English language this is a color. Actually, the product is more or less the same, but since it is in non-English language, so the only option we will select here is non-English. So next is the gluten-free bread. So you know what is gluten, and gluten-free bread means uh, here gluten-free frozen whole grain bread. So the query is fully matched. This is a bread and this is gluten-free. So we will go for exact match. Next we are going for industrial air filter cleaning machine. So for industrial air filter cleaning machine, basically he needs a machine that can clean industrial level of air filter. So what has been given? Dairy is portable commercial air scrubber EPA filter. This is not a cleaning machine, but he is offering a new commercial scale filter. So that could be an alternative option. Next is girls gifts for women over 60. Sorry, I am reading it as girls. So for over 60, this is a gift basket, deluxe favorite gift basket, and it contains fruits. Yes, that are suitable for over 60, but since there's no age range given, so we'll go for close match because this is gifts for women. But since these things are given to men and women both, but this is looking more like a female gift because of packing and ingredients and toffees and fruits. Next is black opal. Black opal is a stone. So here it is given black opal specimen. So it is exact match. Next, asthma in kids. So here adult low lung and children's natural lung expansion and mucus clearance device breathing size and cleaners. So user is searching for asthma in kids. So he might be interested in asthma related products. So asthma in kids is just like his problem. So I'm again going to remind you how to informational queries questions or problems. Since asthma is a problem, so if add landing page offers any product in sorry if products answer the user query and if the product solves the user problem. So if it is a problem asthma in kids, then this is a remedy. Since fungal sinus infection and offered product is nasal irrigation system, so it is the same as problem and the solution. So in this case we'll go for alternate option because as I have given you, this is how to informational query. So you will choose alternate option in all three cases, these three cases. If product offers ready product of answers the user query, and product solves the user problem. In all of the three cases you will go for alternate option. Next, Vervi vitamins. So this is a company that usually produces vitamins supplements like these things. Viana. Okay, this is also a vitamin, but this is not from the same company called Vervi. So since similar product is offered but from a different company, similar vitamins are offered, so we'll go for alternate option because product is same but only. Next is Mooney Lake Amazon. So what is this Mooney Lake thing? Okay, it is actually a lake in somewhere in Amazon rainforest or somewhere. monolake books. There are multiple things related to monolake, but here on the product page, these are fishing lines. You can see sizes and colors. Fishing lines. These are not related to monolake, so it is not relevant. None of the product satisfies. Then Polaris Pro XP interior. Polaris Pro is a vehicle, XP is a model, Polaris Pro XP, and its interior. Now it's again ambiguous query. What is meant by interior? Either he needs something related to interior, or he just want to see interior, or he wants to buy something. So here Polaris full size Pro Fit Ranger XP frame door kit with new body style. So door kit is not related to interior, while the vehicle is same, so I will go for not relevant. Next, Dell laptop computers. So Latitude Rugged Extreme tablets. So in this case, this tablet is 12th generation Intel Core i5, so it is pretty decent tablet, so that can somehow substitute Dell laptop or computers. So since this is neither from Dell company, neither it is laptop, but it more or less serve the same or similar purpose, so I will go for alternate option. Next, flotation for kayaks. What is kayaks? Okay, these are basically boats, and he needs flotation bags for those boats. And what is this? Bow flotation bag for kayak. Okay, it is same product. He needs flotation for kayak, it means he needs bag for these type of ships. So what is given? Bow flotation bag for kayak. So exactly same product is given. Next, base set Pokemon trainer box. Collectible cards. Pokemon Scarlet and Violet trainer box, 10 box case. But what is base set? So I will go for close match. Why? Because base set is not given, neither it is negated. And Pokemon trainer box, it is same Pokemon trainer 10 box cases. Since I can also go for bulk, because 10 box cases, but this is looking at the product, this doesn't seem to be bulk quantity because it is looking so smaller. So I will go, because of this missing attribute box set, I am going for close match. So let's try to submit it. Okay, this was checking. Okay, I left this one. Harley Davidson front bike. Davidson. Harley basically Davidson front bike. What is this? Harley Davidson is a famous company making luxurious bike. So front bike, what is meant by front bike? Looking more or less the same. I'm going for exact. Oh, this one was wrong. Research shows there are major retail intent for this query. Motorcycle itself, we can assume bike is one of the intent, therefore it's a close match. Okay, the next one is query for interior, not machine. So what I have made not relevant, that is correct. I think there is mistake in there in this task. Query is for interior, not machine. So this is the same I have done. Query is for interior, not for the machine, so I have made it not relevant. Let's try to make it a different option. Let's try alternate. Okay, it was good. So I hope you enjoyed it.